Wow, what an amazing day here in Kona in the Big Island of Hawaii, and we had a great time. You're gonna love this video for sure. We've got the ultimate snorkel video for you from Kona, and one of the hottest spots according to our guide. He thinks it's the best in Hawaii. Alice, here we are, all kinds of snorkel trips, that's right. They've got dolphin swims, night snorkeling, everything on this island. Tell everybody where we're at, Alice.
Well, hello everyone, we are in Kona, in the Big Island of Hawaii, and this is the place of the coffee, and we just had coffee, but also one of the best spots for snorkeling. Somebody say that it's actually the best snorkeling in the whole Hawaii. I don't know about that, but I can tell you that you are gonna love this video. Follow us, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.
We got a great video for you today on how to have fun cruising. That's right, aloha from the Big Island. And guess what, guys? We got the ultimate snorkel video for you from Kona. Take a look at the fish. Absolutely stunning. One of the best snorkel trips ever. We did a full-blown Kona video. You can check that one out. But today it's just snorkeling. That's right. We're going to get you down under the water, check out the fish, and show you some of the most beautiful Hawaiian tropical fish you've ever seen with some coral. If you haven't, definitely hit our subscribe button and hit that like button. Check out our website, and definitely don't forget about our sister channels. In fact, how about the mothership? This thing is a monster now. Over 200,000 subs, over 10 million views. Also camping, fishing, and now we also have hiking and 4x4. This channel is all about vacation ideas and getting you outside, motivated, work-life balance, and taking some time from work to get out there and have fun. Let's go do some snorkeling with Alice.
All right, Miranda, tell us what we're doing today.
Captain Zodiac Raft and Snorkel excursion here in Kona.
What are we going to get to see?
Lots of fish.
Yeah.
And lots of cool history.
Okay, very cool. What kind of, do we see any sharks?
They're out there.
Are they out there?
In the ocean.
All right, that's good. Yeah, I don't want to, you know, the last one I was on, I saw too many. Look at that.
That's why we have to serve those waivers.
That's how you got those waivers right there, right? All right, Alice, here we are.
Yes, we are here in Kona in Hawaii, and it's on the opposite side of the location of yesterday. And today we are ready for some great rafting and snorkeling and seeing amazing fishes and having a great time. So let's do it!
Well, after a quick briefing on the safety and rules, we were ready to go.
This guy's gonna have everybody scared before we even get started.
I would get in the water or something.
Well, just like that, we got everybody into the Captain Zodiac raft, and we picked a raft because we wanted to try something different. And to be honest, it was a lot of fun. Nothing like rafting out on the ocean. Got that pirate vibe going, and we had a lot of fun with this. But in any case, you know, if you're not, you know, used to bouncing around, this may not be the best one for you. They do have bigger boats that go out onto the snorkeling, but it was a lot of fun. We really enjoyed it. So let's go check out this snorkeling. You're going to have a blast. We got some great underwater video for you.
You guys, that's called a foot belt. And that there foot belt is pretty handy so that we don't fall backwards. So if you'd be so kind, the Coast Guard loves it when there's like 1 foot in there. Not 1 foot collectively, but like one of your feet. Yeah, one of each pairs of feet. That's great, that's great. Keeps us from rolling over backwards.
Well, we finally made it to our location and we were super excited. It's time to do some snorkeling. You're going to love this video. Okay, we made it to the spot and then everyone started to get on their snorkel gear. These guys supplied the gear, or you could bring your own, obviously. As you can see, really overcast day. So not ideal for snorkeling, but that's just going to show you how good of snorkeling this was, because the view down below was fantastic. I can only imagine what it would have been like on a sunny day. But for sure, you're going to get to see lots of fish, and it is absolutely gorgeous. There's Alice. She's getting ready to go in, getting her gear on, and the next thing you know, we're dropping into the water to check out some awesome, beautiful fish down below with our 4K cameras. Let's go check it out. As you can see, the fish, the colors, it's just absolutely amazing. And think, this is an overcast day, how beautiful it was under the water. So if you get the chance to snorkel, definitely do it. It's well worth it. And let's sit back, listen to some music, and check out the underwater of Kona in the Big Island of Hawaii. So no question about it, we had snorkeled over in Maui. Absolutely a great place for turtles and coral. But many people feel that this Kona area is absolutely one of the most popular destinations for snorkeling. It's got magnificent reefs. The reefs are just amazing. Abundance of sea life. You see so many fish. And there's a lot of cliffs, drop-offs, caves, lots to explore, which is really awesome. And in general, most people feel that snorkeling in Kona is as good as it gets. And you can see on an overcast day, like we highlighted, how good it is. But, overall, if you don't want to do a tour, there's plenty of tours out of Kona. So you can sign up for Captain Cook Kona Snorkeling Tours. They've got all kinds of different companies there. As you don't even really need to book ahead. I mean, there's plenty of places where you can snorkel. But if you're not into that and you just want to do it on your own, no problem. You can swim with sea turtles in Kona. There's a small beach that often gets overlooked if you want to swim with the sea turtles at no cost. You just walk in from the shore. The most popular place is what's called Kahaluu Beach, Kalua Beach, and it's off of the Ali Drive, and it's a couple miles up the road from downtown Kona. So definitely take a look at that. As far as what's the best time of the year for snorkeling in Kona, we highly recommend the warmest in July through September. So the temperatures reach as high as 84 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's really a popular time to actually snorkel. So like always here on our channel, we're always trying to give you vacation ideas and fun things to do. But overall, like we stated earlier, it's definitely worth it. The snorkeling tours are undoubtedly some of the best in the world. And we've snorkeled all over, but as you can see here, the fish are just remarkable. Well, another interesting fun fact for you is that the sea turtles, they're an endangered species. And as part of the Endangered Species Act of Hawaii state law, you're not allowed to illegally touch them, harass them, or otherwise disturb them. So keep that in mind when you're out in Hawaii. Don't be trying to touch the sea turtles. The other thing that's interesting that we learned is that sea turtles outlived dinosaurs. That's right, guys. They coexisted with dinosaurs for about 45 million years, but outlived them, surviving the mass extinction event that took place approximately 65 million years ago. So sea turtles have been around a long, long, long time.
Hello everyone! This place is phenomenal. Never seen so many fishes and corals, everything all together. Amazing, amazing place. And the landscape is amazing too. So volcanic island. I'm having a great time. Right, Abby?
Hey, this place is remarkable. Look at the cliffs here, folks. These things are probably 700-800 feet high, all volcanic, and the amount of fish that we're seeing here is similar to what we've seen in Palau and some of these other areas that are very isolated. So to imagine that you can come here in Hawaii and still see places like this are pretty awesome. And this is a reserve, no fishing allowed.
Yep.
But big schools of fish, definitely awesome. Comment down below, tell us what you think of this. And please subscribe, hit that like button, because the more viewers we can get, the more followers, the more cool trips like this we can take you around the world. And we're having a great time, and we appreciate all of everyone's support. Alicia, you ready to go back down and check out some more fish?
This water is so good, I'm ready to go!
Let's do it, let's head back down. Well, the snorkeling trip was absolutely fantastic. And if you ever do get to Kona on the Big Island, we would highly recommend it. Another great vacation idea.
Alright, we are back on the ship, and it's been a fantastic day. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. So don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and thank you so much for watching.
How to have fun cruising.